As artificial intelligence becomes more prevalent, we communicate with various AI systems on a daily basis. However, human-AI communication is often prone to communication breakdowns due to the lack of mutual understanding between users and the AI system. The AI might have an incorrect understanding of the user's goals, preferences, intentions, and plans, and the user might also have an incorrect understanding of the AI's capabilities, working mechanism, intentions, and plans. To enhance mutual understanding between humans and AI systems during human-AI communication, we draw inspirations from human-human communication dynamic to establish and implement mutual theory of mind in human-AI communication. What is mutual theory of mind? Mutual theory of mind is when both parties involved in the communication process possess the human characteristic of theory of mind. Theory of mind is our ability to constantly be aware of what's on others' minds during interactions through others' verbal and behavioral cue. To put it in more plain terms, theory of mind is our ability to have a theory of what's on others' mind. Having a mutual theory of mind in human communication enables us to enhance mutual understanding gradually. At the AI-ALOE Institute, we use mutual theory of mind as a framework to conduct foundational AI research. Mutual theory of mind as a framework breaks down the human-AI communication process into 3 stages: AI's construction of its theory of mind, users' recognition of AI's theory of mind, and AI's revision of its theory of mind. Next, let's take a look at several of our ongoing and future work guided by the mutual theory of mind framework.
We are developing a question-answering agent. One way this agent contributes to a mutual theory of mind is by explaining itself using a model of its own mind. The agent's mind is organized in terms of task, method, and knowledge. Task represents the why of a system. It specifies the input, output, and the goals of the agent. Method represents the how of a system. It describes the internal processing of the agent. Knowledge represents the what of a system. It describes the raw data and information the agent is operating on. The task method knowledge model enables the agent to explain how it works to a human user. For example, the agent can explain the reason, i.e., the goal of completing a task. The agent can explain the method it uses to accomplish the goal. The agent can also explain its knowledge, i.e., relevant concepts and their definitions. The task, method, and knowledge breakdown of a system can also serve as the agent's theory of mind of the user. When the user asks a question, it's categorized as either a question about task, a question about method, or a question about knowledge. After the AI agent answers the question, the user recognizes how the AI agent interpreted his question, i.e., the agent's theory of mind. After many QA sessions with the agent, the user will be able to construct a theory of the agent's mind. Namely, the user will be able to form his own theory of what the agent's tasks, methods, and knowledge are. In the future, we plan to add revision capabilities that enable the agent to revise its theory of mind of the user. If the user's feedback is negative, the agent will realize that its theory of mind of the user was wrong and ask follow-up questions for clarification.
To conclude, the foundation for communication success is for all parties involved in a communication process to reach a mutual understanding of each other. We seek to understand and design for mutual understanding between humans and AI during human-AI communication under the guidance of the mutual theory of mind framework. Thank you.